The truck driver irresponsibly parked too close to the railway tracks, unaware of the danger. At that moment, a train approached at high speed and couldn't stop in time. The violent impact severely damaged the front of the container truck. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape without injury. Emergency responders quickly arrived at the scene to handle the situation and investigate the cause. This serves as a reminder of the importance of being cautious and never parking in hazardous areas, especially near railroad tracks. A large truck unexpectedly blew a tire while traveling on the road, creating a very dangerous situation. The loud explosion caused the driver to lose control, and the truck veered off the road. Fortunately, no other vehicles were affected, but the explosion caused significant traffic congestion. Authorities quickly arrived at the scene to handle the incident, investigate the cause, and ensure safety for other vehicles in the area. This serves as an important reminder to thoroughly check and maintain vehicles before hitting the road. At an intersection without traffic lights, vehicles from multiple directions moved without proper caution. A car attempted to cross at high speed, while a truck from another direction failed to brake in time. A violent collision occurred instantly, causing both vehicles to spin sideways on the road. The following vehicles couldn't react in time, leading to a massive pileup. The scene became chaotic, with several damaged vehicles and minor injuries reported. Police and emergency responders quickly arrived to manage the situation and control traffic. The primary cause was identified as the lack of traffic signals and driver negligence. This serves as a crucial reminder of the importance of careful driving, especially at uncontrolled intersections. The camera captured a terrifying moment when a blue four-seater car sped uncontrollably at high speed. The vehicle swerved on the road for a brief moment before crashing hard into the guardrail. The impact sent the car spinning multiple times before flipping over onto the roadside, creating a chaotic scene. Nearby vehicles immediately slowed down to avoid further danger. Bystanders rushed to assist, while emergency services were dispatched to the scene. The extent of injuries to the driver and passengers remains unclear. Initial assessments suggest that the driver may have lost control due to excessive speed. This serves as a crucial reminder of the importance of speed control while driving. A horrifying accident occurred on the highway when a Punto suddenly cut across lanes, blocking the path of another high-speed vehicle. The violent collision caused both cars to lose control, spinning multiple times on the road. Drivers behind them slammed on their brakes to avoid a pileup, creating a chaotic scene. After the impact, the Punto crashed into the median barrier with its front end severely damaged. Emergency responders and police quickly arrived to handle the situation. Fortunately, no casualties were reported, though both vehicles suffered extensive damage. Initial investigations revealed that the Punto driver failed to check properly before changing lanes. This serves as a harsh reminder of the importance of caution on the road. All drivers must follow safety regulations and avoid reckless actions while driving. Excessive speed caused the truck to lose control, cross the median, and crash head-on into another vehicle. The horrific accident occurred during rush hour, forcing other vehicles to stop abruptly. The violent collision resulted in severe damage to both vehicles. The truck driver and the driver of the other vehicle were injured and had to be rushed to the hospital. Police and emergency responders quickly arrived at the scene to handle the situation and investigate the cause. This accident serves as a lesson about following speed limits and staying alert on the road.
On my list, as someone just hit me on the At least let the air mattress
What the fuck is this guy doing?
expand.
What the fuck? Something related to both. Improper, the faceless immortals. A contra.
All nation. Calibrated for new all delivery. This is
Oh, he's off his face.
ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਲੋੜ ਹੈਗੀ ਏ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਫੋਨ ਕਰ ਆਹੋ
What the fuck?
It'll probably be Thursday. Whoa. Me!
Whoa! Oh!
How the frick did that happen?
Oh, damn! No! Hell!
I was looking at some of our GCs and just kind of throw out a little bit of thought towards Pam. I know sometimes out of sight can get
Much stronger than ever before, but not as strong as I've been when fighting the
Holy shit balls! Whoa! Slow down, Mikey! Slow down! Slow down!
On whistleblower protections, why this case is the first major test of President Trump's power.